As a mom, I know how stressful it can be when the weather changes and everyone starts coming down with cold. But instead of rushing to the store for cough drops or expensive wellness shots, there's something easy, natural, and effective you can make at home, right in your kitchen. Today, I'm sharing my go-to immunity and wellness shots recipe that keeps my family strong and ready to take on the cold season. For this recipe, we'll be using 4 oranges, 2 lemons, a handful of ginger, and guess what? I saw organic ginger in the store after a long time, so I quickly grabbed it. And I also have the other form of ginger, which is not organic, and I would always recommend that you get organic ginger. We'll also be using turmeric. I have the whole turmeric and I also have the powdered one, and also black pepper. Black pepper significantly enhances the effectiveness of turmeric by improving the absorption of its active compound, curcumin. That's why it's advised that whenever you're using turmeric, it's best to add a little bit of black pepper. Okay, so we're done washing up our fruits. It's time to peel the back of the fruits so that we can toss them in the juicer to do its work. I'm sure you're wondering, why go through all of this instead of just popping a vitamin C tablet or something? Well, here's the thing. When you're making these natural shots, you're not just getting isolated nutrients, you're getting the whole food, which means fiber, natural enzymes, phytonutrients that work together. It's not just about boosting immunity, it's about nourishing the whole body. And let me tell you, the impact is real. On days when I take this wellness shot, I feel like I've got a little extra pep in my step. It's not just jittery energy like you'd get from caffeine. It's steady, it's calm, and just what I need to stay focused without feeling drained. Jokes apart, this juicer is a lifesaver. It has really made my life easier. And just to mention also, I've used a couple of juicers in the past. They've either ended up wasting most of the fruits, the pulp being very, very wet, meaning you're not getting the best out of it. That's why I decided to invest in this juicer, and I have not regretted it, not even one day. And I know you won't also. So if you can, please get this juicer. here is the blender version for my girlies that have just blenders that don't have jitters. So the difference is just that you cut the fruits in small chunks so that it can blend well. But if you have a high speed blender, you don't need to chop it little. It's just that I feel like it will blend better when you chop it in little chunks. Then you just add it to your blender and add a cup of water. Depending on the size of your fruits, I used just one orange, one lemon in this recipe, and one big size, what I call it a medium size ginger, and a cup of water. You blend them up together and you sieve. So keep watching and go through the process with me. Here you go. Can you decipher which one I use the juicer for and which ones I use the blender for? I bet you it's very hard to tell. I know one is darker than the other because I'm looking at it closely, but it's very hard to tell, trust me. As mom, we take care of everyone, but sometimes we need a little something to take care of ourselves too. This wellness shot is more than just a cold remedy. It is part of my little self-care ritual. And I help my family feeling healthy and stronger. And you know what? The peace of mind that comes with it is just priceless. So why not? Why not give it a try and make a batch of these wellness shots this week? I promise you, it will make you more prepared for whatever the cold season wants to bring your way this flu season, and you will not regret it. You got this, mama. Stay strong and healthy. Thanks for always watching my video. If you liked what you saw or if you learned something from this video, please like, share, and comment down below if you will be making news. Till I come your way next time with another interesting video, have a wonderful day. Peace out, man.